What up, guys? It's a new day. I've been up since 3 a.m. I look like crap, but we are heading to the antique mall in about 10 minutes. Just waiting for my dad to get home from work. I priced a bunch of crap this morning so we could take it to the antique mall. Um, I was grinding, man. I priced a lot. But yeah, we're heading to the antique mall in about 10 minutes. I'm just gonna get ready and then we're gonna leave. I've got a bunch of Pokemon cards, a bunch of figures, a bunch of stuff. So let's go. I've been up since 3. I need to sleep, man. I'm so tired. I got like 3 hours of sleep, maybe. Holy crap, it was cold today, man. Um, as you see, we went to the antique mall. We filled it up. I didn't take any video there because they don't want you filming inside the antique mall. I took some photos, so I'm going to insert them here. Yeah, we filled that up because the one booth was like empty. And we got home and like the day went by and we sold 84 things out of there. So we're gonna have to go back like on Wednesday because it's closed Monday, Tuesday to refill it again because peeps be buying stuff. So that's crazy. That's how today was. I somehow injured my leg. I do not know how, but it is owie. It hurts when I stand up, so I have not been doing that. We got home from the antique mall, and since I had been up since 3 a.m., I passed out. We got home at 12:30ish, and I had... What did I have? I had something quick to eat. I can't even remember, man. But I was so tired and I just slept till like 8:30. Now it's 10:15. I've eaten again, had some fish and some sidekicks, and I want to go to bed again. Like, I'm so tired and exhausted. Like, my body is so sore and I don't know why. Maybe it's just I'm old, maybe I'm dying. Who knows? But yeah, that was today, so I've got to price a bunch of more stuff because we just filled the thing and sold a crap ton, so that's the plan for tomorrow. I'm not going to price anything today. I work from like 9 to 3:30 tomorrow, so hopefully after work I'm not feeling too exhausted. So I can price some stuff to take to the mall for Wednesday. It's crazy. It's crazy. But I think I'm going to end this video here. I'm not going to do much for the rest of the night. I'm going to go to bed soon. I might edit a couple videos. Definitely this one. And then maybe one for my other channel, because I have like a room tour. It's gonna be like a 15-minute room tour because it was like a full Japanese apartment, but I think that's what we're gonna do, and then yeah, go to bed. Oh man, I'm so achy. Oh, apparently we have a huge snowstorm coming tomorrow too, another 20-30 centimeters, so that's fantastic. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm Chad, and remember, keep on doing. See you in the next one.